Hello and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is Scott. This is the 2015 the Ford F-150. I love this truck. Stock number is T19888A. Take notice of the exterior condition on your virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. What a good looking exterior on the passenger side. This truck has been through a 150-point vehicle inspection. Carfax reports provided to you upon purchase, and we'll give it to you before too. Who knows? Let's go on the interior and show you the condition of the interior. No rips, no tears, no stains, power windows, locks, cruise tilt, easy access one-touch control panel. Absolutely an impeccable truck. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. Who doesn't want that at no cost to you? For more information, call us, email us, or text us on this truck or any other trucks we have in our inventory, because it's huge. We look forward to earning your business. This is Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.